Hello, hiring committee. I wanted to give you an example of what you asked for my online portfolio and what my delivery looks like in one of the courses that I've set up. So this is a course that I've set up. It's a macro course, and it's going to be looking at using Blackboard 9.1. So I want to show you the tabs over here. Over here, we have the home page, which sets to here that students will see. I have my announcements, information on my myself, syllabus right here. I have the content or the modules, their quizzes, the discussions, and then under course tools, I have a calendar, messages, their grades, help, tools and help, kind of the same little function right there. So first, let's say if we click on the announcement, all of these are time restricted. So if you click on announcement, what I like to do is, for example, if we look at this week right here. So this is the week 4 to-do list that I introduced to the class. I always like to provide a little overview of what we're looking at. I always like to provide a very helpful video that applies to their daily lives, and then a to-do list of what they're supposed to read and what they're supposed to accomplish. So that's the announcement section. I only like to do 1 or 2 announcements per week. If you click on the instructor information, this will give you more information about myself. You'll notice I do this for students. I do a Prezi, so where I narrate where I'm from, where I grew up, some of my hobbies. They really like this. It provides an interactive way to get to know the instructor in these online environments. The syllabus tab, I do a couple different things. I put the syllabus right here. Sometimes I put the course schedule, but I like to put everything in one document. That's important. The content page, I'm going to just show you. Let's go to click on supply and demand. So I like to define my modules by the title. So module 2, supply and demand. There. I like to provide an overview of what we're looking at for this week. Then I like to divide things into, here's the PowerPoint. I put instructor teacher summaries, and those instructor teacher summaries I think are very helpful. It provides an overview of myself, of all the concepts, and my narration of all the concepts. Then I put in various videos and articles. And this is something that's a little bit different. It's more than just posting information on the course. It's more based on, I'm giving them right here, instructor review. So I post a video, I find an article, but I give commentary to have them understand what they're about and what their focus should be when they read. So this is very important. I think it does a very good job. You see the different topics, shortages, change in supply versus change in quantity supplied, change in demand. You have all these various topics right here, surplus. So you have all these topics and videos and articles I relate to, but it gives them a direction. Then the lectures, another important thing. I provide lectures, just like I'm doing this with this screen capture lecture, I'm providing the same type of screen capture as well. So I provide analysis of what it's covering. Here's the transcript for ADA, and here's my video as well. So here's the YouTube link, and here's my video as well. If I click under the quizzes tab, these are the quizzes. I always like to have the quizzes as 2 attempts, highest score. It's a way for them to understand the material and a way to review and prepare for their next attempt. My discussions. For my discussions, I like to always insert the rubric right here. So here's what I'm looking for. It's consistent. Here's the rubric. Here's where you can create an in-text citation, reference, and APA formatting, which I find that students do. Click on that. It creates it for them. It's a very simple process, and I don't have many issues. Here's the question that I asked them for this week, and then they only will be able to reply. So it's a very clean discussion board. They just reply to this initial question, not creating multiple threads. And the last thing I want to show you is the syllabus and just how my syllabus is laid out, which gives them a little more clarity as well. So on my syllabus right here, very clean. You'll notice that for my syllabus, you'll notice that I'm looking at expectations for time management, for discussions, assignments, the exams, very clean, very concise of what they're looking at. I like their breakdown of how they're being graded. So the quizzes will be various multiple choice. and short answer. Discussions are short answer as well. Final exam. Then I like to post, here's the discussion board rubric as well. Then I like to post a very clear expectation of what is due. So module 1, here's the due date, here's what we're completing, and here's what is graded. And this gives them a very good overview of what the expectations of the course are. I think this will give you a good understanding of how I develop my course and the efficiency of how I do it, so it's very easy to understand and replicate. If you have any more questions, let me know, but I look forward to doing the next step with you.